Hi guys, this is Austin from anyinstructor.com. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a donut chart in Tableau. Let's find out how. Okay, so firstly, you want to open Tableau on your desktop and you land on this page. Most of you should be landing on this page. So in today's video, we'll be using the Superstore sample workbook found in Tableau, and it's embedded within every Tableau software for desktop. So firstly, you would want to open the sample workbooks through Superstore over here, where my cursor is, and then click it to select the data source. So some of the pre-made charts will be opened up, but not to worry. What you need to do is open a new sheet, because we'll be creating a donut chart from this. So what we need to open up is our sample Superstore dataset, because today we'll be finding out more about the different categories and the profits for each category. So you will firstly add with the category by double clicking, and then you also have to add the profit by double clicking on the profit. Automatically there should be some numbers generated from the category and the profit by Tableau, and this will be in the form of a table. But we will need to have a pie chart first, and then we'll move on to creating a donut chart. So one powerful way to convert it into a donut chart or a pie chart would be using the show me. Using the show me function, you can only see there is a pie chart available, but there is no donut chart yet. But not to worry, we'll be figuring out how to create a donut chart later on. So we begin with a pie chart first, so click on that. So once you have a pie chart, it's kind of small, so I'd want to change the size to something that's bigger. So go on to this select drop down here and select the entire view for a bigger picture. So now you have a simple pie chart with the different categories and their respective profits. So the first step that one would have to take would be to change the pie chart into another one. So what we need to do is to add another pie chart on top of the first pie chart so that we can create a donut chart. So go on to the number of records peel over here and drag it up to the rows column, rows shelf, and then hold Control over the peel and then drag it to the side. This is to duplicate the entry. So now you have two peels over here with the number of records. The next step would be to select the drop down and convert into minimum. Do the same for the other peel for the number of records, and then change it to minimum. So now you should see two pie charts being stacked on top of each other, but we do not want that. So the next step would be to take the rightmost peel and drag it to the right side of the first pie chart until you see this green rectangle over here, and this green rectangle would mean that it's droppable and that I can create a dual axis pie chart. So now we have combined both of the pie charts. These two are perfectly overlapping each other, so therefore you only see one pie chart over here. So what we need to do is that we need to delete away the segments that are found within the second pie chart to show the difference. So go on to the left side here and the marks card, press shift and hold, and then click on the three peels over here. We will need to discard these three because we will want to remove the segments. So drag them away or drag down to remove them. So now you see a gray circle over here, but not to worry, this is because the size difference for the pie charts are now similar, but there is another pie chart hiding behind this gray circle. So how would we be able to show that? Firstly, you have to maneuver to the first pie chart. The first pie chart is over here on the marks card. Firstly, we need to increase the size of this pie chart. So you can see there's a pie chart that's overlapping on top of the other, and now the gray circle is in the middle. So we're starting to see a donut over here, right? Definitely this is not the perfect example, but this will be the beginning of how our pie chart will become a donut chart. So there are some ways you can clean up this donut chart as well. So firstly, I would recommend increasing the size, and then accordingly for the second gray circle. so it looks more presentable. And we would want to remove some of these axes and distractions on the left or the right. So now we have a cleaner graph and a cleaner chart. The next step would be to add some labels. So we would want to label the category. So you grab the category over here. So we grab the category over here, and then we drag it to the labels, as well as the profit, we drag it to the labels. So now we have a very simple version of the pie chart that is converted into the donut chart. So it's two pie charts combined into one donut chart through the overlapping. So this is how it's done using Tableau, and it's a very simple way of creating more diverse charts instead of having the usual pie chart that's built within Tableau. So guys, if this video has been too fast for you, you can go over to my blog anyinstructor.com/donut for a full detailed walkthrough of how to create a donut chart in Tableau. That's anyinstructor.com/donut. Thank you for watching. Bye.